So this week we're working on a brand new Tesla, another 22 plate Tesla, and you know what, the paint is in really good condition, but what we have noticed straight away, and I'm not seeing this on any car for a while to be fair with you, we've actually got buffer trail. Quite a lot of panels on the bonnet, which I'm going to try and get on camera in a minute, hopefully you can see them. The thing with buffer trail is you do see it more outside in sunlight, but our studio lights do show it to me, but maybe not the camera. I've got another birdlime etch in here, which is quite bad, so it's eaten through already. As we know, Tesla paint is ridiculously soft and doesn't really have protection. So we've got, say, the buffer trail all the way across the front of the bonnet here, but I've also started noticing it on this door. And I'm not sure why. It looks like the dealership have obviously just kind of skimmed over certain panels. So they're the major issues. There's not really anything else. I'm trying to look around it now as we're talking. There's not really anything to point out other than that. So I'll try and get those kind of defects on camera. That door is terrible, to be fair with you, when you start looking. I'll try and get them on camera anyway, and you can actually see what I mean by buffer. So what I've noticed here is we've still got another birdlime that's etched in there, and there's actually an additional one just here, which again I'm going to try and get on camera. It's quite hard to get the angle. You can just see it there basically when I try and get the camera to kind of focus on it, which is going to be a bit tricky, but there's just a stain there. There we go, just can you see that there? And then there's quite a large one here. So we've actually found two more bird limes that I really need to get. That's quite long. You can actually see how big that is when I focus on it. So we'll have a try at cutting those as well. So we're just on with the top coat now on this new Tesla, and the hardener went on yesterday. Definitely needed it. It's quite soft paint, this Tesla, they all are. I even had a black one turn up yesterday for a quote, and to be completely honest, it's the softest paint I've ever seen in my life. So we've gone with Ceramic Pro on this particular booking. Being a repeat customer, we've kind of upgraded him. The thing I'm going to have to do is, there's quite a lot of trim of plastic on this one, and I am going to use a dedicated plastic product on that as opposed to just a normal top coat. You don't need to, it's something I want to do because there's quite a lot of nice trims across all this, and I really want to bring those back up. So we're going to finish this top coat now. I'm just on the boot on the last section, and then we're going to go across all the trims and put some proper plastic Ceramic Pro coating on those, just to really give it the best result we can.